brings you the latest insights into the automotive world. Today, we're delving into the anticipated 2025 Tata Nano CX, a vehicle poised to redefine urban mobility with its compact design, modern features, and affordability. Tata Motors has a history of innovation, and the 2025 Nano CX is no exception, aiming to cater to the evolving needs of city commuters. The 2025 Tata Nano CX is expected to retain its iconic compact silhouette, making it an ideal choice for navigating congested urban streets and tight parking spots. The exterior design is anticipated to feature a modern, aerodynamic profile with a bold front grille and sharp LED headlights, enhancing its visual appeal. The compact dimensions not only contribute to its maneuverability but also make it a practical solution for daily city driving. Under the hood, the 2025 Nano CX is projected to house a refined and efficient 0.8-liter three-cylinder petrol engine, delivering approximately 45 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque. This setup is designed to offer a peppy performance suitable for city commutes while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The lightweight construction of the Nano CX further contributes to its economical fuel consumption, making it a cost-effective option for daily drivers. Inside, the cabin of the Nano CX is expected to offer a surprisingly spacious environment, comfortably accommodating 4 passengers. The interior design focuses on maximizing space utilization, providing ample headroom and legroom despite the car's compact exterior. The dashboard is likely to be equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity and entertainment on the go. Additional features such as climate control and ample storage spaces are anticipated to enhance passenger comfort and convenience. Safety is a paramount concern for modern drivers, and the 2025 Nano CX is expected to address this with a suite of safety features. Dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors are projected to be standard, providing essential protection for occupants. The inclusion of a rear parking camera would further assist drivers in navigating tight parking situations, enhancing overall safety during urban drive. One of the standout aspects of the Tata Nano has always been its affordability, and the 2025 Nano CX is expected to continue this tradition. With an anticipated price point around $12,000, Tata Motors aims to offer an economical vehicle without compromising on essential features and quality. This pricing strategy is designed to make the Nano CX accessible to a wide range of consumers, particularly those seeking a budget-friendly yet reliable urban transportation solution. In response to the growing demand for environmentally friendly vehicles, Tata Motors is also expected to introduce a CNG variant of the Nano CX. This alternative fuel option would provide even lower running costs and reduced emissions, appealing to eco-conscious consumers and those looking to minimize their fuel expenses. The CNG variant is projected to offer similar performance metrics to the petrol version, ensuring that drivers do not have to compromise on driving experience. Customization is another area where the 2025 Nano CX is expected to shine. Tata Motors plans to offer a variety of color options, interior trims, and accessory packages, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicles to suit their preferences. This level of customization ensures that each Nano CX can reflect the individual style and needs of its owner, enhancing the overall ownership experience. The driving experience of the 2025 Nano CX is anticipated to be tailored for urban environments. The compact size, combined with a responsive steering system and a user-friendly gearbox, is expected to make navigating through city traffic and tight corners effortless. The suspension system is likely to be tuned to absorb typical urban road imperfections, providing a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. In terms of maintenance, the Tata Nano CX is projected to benefit from Tata Motors' reputation for producing vehicles with relatively low upkeep costs. The use of durable materials and reliable engineering practices is expected to result in a vehicle that requires minimal maintenance, further contributing to its appeal as a cost-effective urban commuter. While the 2025 Nano CX offers numerous advantages, it's important to consider some potential limitations. The compact size, while beneficial for city driving, may result in limited cargo space, which could be a consideration for those requiring substantial storage capacity. Additionally, as a budget-friendly vehicle, the Nano CX may not feature some of the advanced technologies and luxury amenities found in higher-end models. However, for its intended purpose as an affordable and efficient city car, the Nano CX is expected to deliver commendably. In summary, the 2025 Tata Nano CX is poised to be a practical, affordable, and efficient solution for urban transportation. With its compact design, modern features, and emphasis on safety and fuel efficiency, it addresses the core needs of city commuters. Tata Motors' commitment to providing value without compromising on quality is evident in the anticipated offerings of the Nano CX. Whether you're a daily commuter seeking an economical ride or someone looking for a reliable second car for city errands, the 2025 Nano CX is worth considering. If you found this overview helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive trends and reviews. Stay tuned for all your car-related insights and news.